Chicken Makhani recipe: how to make Indian butter chicken. If you've ever been captivated by the rich, creamy flavors of Indian cuisine, chicken makhani, or Indian butter chicken, is a dish you simply can't ignore. A true classic. This recipe combines tender chicken pieces with a luscious, spiced tomato-based sauce that's creamy, aromatic, and downright irresistible. Perfect for cozy dinners, special occasions, or just a culinary adventure. This dish pairs beautifully with basmati rice and naan bread. Whether you prefer a mild flavor profile or crave a bit of heat, this recipe can be tailored to your spice tolerance, making it a crowd pleaser every time. Ready to take your taste buds on an unforgettable journey? Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to making this heavenly dish. Why you'll love this recipe. Quick and easy. With just 35 minutes total time, you can create a restaurant-quality dish at home. Customizable. Adjust the spice levels to make it mild or fiery, as per your preference. Authentic flavors. With ingredients like garam masala, ginger garlic paste, and tomato puree, this dish delivers true Indian authenticity. Perfect pairings. Serve with fluffy basmati rice and warm, buttery naan for a complete meal. Ingredients you'll need. For the sauce: 1 tablespoon peanut oil, 1 shallot finely chopped, 1/4 white onion chopped, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 bay leaf, 1 cup tomato puree, 1 cup half and half, a 1/4 cup plain yogurt, salt and ground black pepper to taste. For the chicken: 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 tablespoon peanut oil, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, or to taste, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, a 1/4 cup water. Step-by-step directions. Step 1. Prepare the base. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of peanut oil in a large saucepan over medium-high heat. Add the finely chopped shallot and onion, sautéing until soft and translucent. This should take about 5 minutes. Step 2. Build the flavorful sauce. Stir in the butter, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, garam masala, chili powder, cumin, and a bay leaf. Let these aromatic ingredients sizzle for about a minute to release their full flavors. Then, add the tomato puree and cook for 2 minutes, stirring frequently. Step 3. Add creamy elements. Reduce the heat to low and stir in the half and half and yogurt. Simmer the sauce for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Once done, remove the sauce from the heat and set it aside. Step 4. Cook the chicken. In a separate large skillet, heat the remaining 1 tablespoon of peanut oil over medium heat. Add the chicken pieces and cook until lightly browned, about 10 minutes. Lower the heat and season the chicken with garam masala and cayenne pepper. Add a few spoonfuls of the sauce to the skillet and let it simmer until the liquid reduces and the chicken is fully cooked. Step 5. Combine and thicken. Transfer the cooked chicken to the prepared sauce and stir until well combined. Dissolve the cornstarch in water and mix it into the sauce. Let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes, or until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency. Step 6. Serve and enjoy. Serve the butter chicken hot, garnished with fresh cilantro if desired. Pair it with steamed basmati rice and naan bread for an authentic Indian dining experience. Pro tips for the perfect butter chicken. Marinate for extra flavor. Marinate the chicken in a mixture of yogurt, lemon juice, and spices for at least an hour before cooking. Adjust spices. If you're sensitive to heat, reduce the cayenne or chili powder. If you love spice, add more. Make it richer. Swap the half and half with heavy cream for an even creamier sauce. Vegetarian option. Replace the chicken with paneer, Indian cottage cheese, or tofu for a vegetarian twist. Nutritional information. Per serving, based on 4 servings, Calories, 408. Total fat, 28 g. Protein, 23 g. Carbohydrates, 16 g. Sodium, 523 milligrams. Final thoughts. Making chicken makhani at home has never been easier. This recipe brings together the best of Indian flavors in a way that's simple, satisfying, and utterly delicious. The creamy tomato-based sauce combined with perfectly spiced chicken is a combination that will make your taste buds sing. So, whether you're cooking for your family, hosting a dinner party, or simply craving some comfort food, this Indian butter chicken recipe is the perfect choice. Try it once, and it's sure to become a regular on your dining table. Enjoy the journey into the heart of Indian cuisine, one bite at a time. Happy cooking!